Well, I need to rethink my job or something because I'm really lagging. It took me almost a half hour to strip this truck. I'm starting to lag in my old age. Welcome to Outlaw Edge. So working on CONVICT this morning, and the next thing I need to do is the body's pretty much ready to go. I need to sit it on the frame, build the frame mounts and whatever. And I had a square body Chevy, like a 3/4 ton or whatever it is, 4-wheel drive frame underneath the red truck, and Aaron came over here and helped me out. We checked the frame, made sure there was no splits or cracks or nothing like that, or no bad spots, no spots that are rusted through. There's a lot of surface rust on it, but I'm gonna knock all that stuff off. We'll sandblast it and get it painted and whatever. But here's a new frame for CONVICT, and it took me about 40 minutes, half hour, 40 minutes like that. I just cut the mounts off the body, the bed, and the front fenders. I just cut them right in half and just took the whole clip right off of it. Because the front ones are so rusted, the bolts just came right out of the bottom of the radiator support, core support. But here's the frame. I got that in here, so pretty stoked about that. The next thing I'll do is, like I said, I'll get these wheels off. Aaron wanted these wheels, so he's gonna get those. And then I have the new tires and wheels that are going on it. These are just the used ones right here, but this is so I can get a mock-up with something close to the size, because the tires I'm getting are about 2 inches higher, 4 inches higher, something in there. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. And when I start sandblasting and cleaning and getting this bumper ripped off and doing some more work, I'll film a little bit more. Thanks for watching. So I got the motor sitting here ready to go. Excuse me. I need to bolt up the cross member. I actually have the transmission and transfer case that came out of this truck. So I'm gonna get that bolted to the motor, and I'll mock it up in here just to make sure everything's gonna fit, because I hate to get the body and everything on here and then something doesn't fit and I have to cut and weld on a painted frame, because once the frame's painted, you don't want to be touching it up. But that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna get the transmission and transfer case in here. I got the strap here and the SkyTrack, and my transmission and stuff is right here in this blue truck. So I'm gonna go grab that and I'll get it inside here. And like I said, I'll get it bolted up to the motor and then sit it inside the frame and see what happens. Well, I got the SkyTrack back here, and I'm hooking this transmission transfer case up to this. Also, I got to find my drive lines. They're here somewhere, but I didn't want to bore you guys with hooking up the strap and all that stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and lift this up and get it inside the shop. So this frame is so perfect. I measured the bed 8 foot, so it's gonna have an 8-foot flatbed, and then I measured the cab mounts and where everything sits, and it almost mounts to the stock square body Chevy frame. It's awesome. And then I measured the height, and with these tires on it, the top of that frame right there, babe, is literally right here. The top of that right there, it's about a 1/2 inch below that, exactly where I want the truck to sit. So that's gonna be awesome. So I could probably run these size tires on there, It's gonna be amazing. So I'm pretty pumped. I got CONVICT back on its new home, on the new frame. And I'll have to move it back and forth, get the wheel wells exactly where they need to go. There's gonna be, it'll lower down a little bit to that frame so you don't see so much, but the running boards hide a lot of that. But it's pretty mean looking. And then once I put the lifted springs and all that stuff on, so it has a little bit more wheel clearance with those tires and everything, it'll be a lot better. But let me know what you guys think down below. Figure I'd give you guys a quick update. So I'm getting the tires mounted right now and the rims. I'm gonna take these back off. I'm gonna paint the rims black eventually, and I'll put brand new tires on here. These are just rollers. The same exact tires are going back on here, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. It's definitely mean looking. You'll be able to go anywhere in this damn thing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Later.